Hello, brother. What's your name?
My name is Abdul Yamin. How are you, brother?
I'm also good. And you?
I am also good, Oil. So, which class you read?
I'm also class 9 read and I didn't join class 9. I come to English therapy in January. And which class you read?
I also read in class 8, but I joined in class 9 and this time I come in English therapy. So, where are you from?
My from is Kuakata. You know Kuakata?
Yes, I know Kuakata, but I didn't visit it. I listened many times in Kuakata.
Brother, where are you from?
I am from Chatpur. You know Chatpur?
Yeah, that was English is your national class.
Yeah. And Hilsab is also a national face of Bangladesh. You don't
Yes,
know?
yes. I like Hilshabe.
Oh. Brother, when you come in English therapy?
Also, I come English therapy 1st January one day. And also English therapy come, I passed it and I'm very improved. And you, when they come English therapy?
I am also come in January month in first day. You is joining English therapy. You improve.
Yes, I also improved because I came before 1 month. I don't speak English. And I also English improve. English I do know. I know English. And I came English therapy. I also good fluency. I daily speak English. I also 1 month, 15 days I complete and I'm second one student. I'm also daily speak English and I think I fluencer, English fluencer. And third month complete and inshallah English fluencer.
Oh, you
And
second month student?
You? Yes, I second month student.
Oh, I am also second month student. But when I joined in English therapy, this time I didn't know English.
English therapy came and your links.
My feelings is very good, very well. English therapy, all teacher is very dedicated person. He's all time love small people. Pray for me when 3 months complete. I am a good speaker. How many members your family?
My family also 6 members. Me, my little sister, my elder brother, and my elder sister. And my father and my mother. My father work is go to Yakult and in Korea. He after come in January.
Okay. Brother, okay, see you in the next time.
Okay, thank you
Okay.
so much.